Hello, so here we are with a quick unboxing of the HTC AC M490 MHL cable. In other words, it's an adapter for the HTC devices with micro USB connections that can handle HD video out. So this is an official product. This is in the bulk packaging, not the full retail packaging, so you could get either when you buy from Clove, but more often than not it will be this, but completely official, as you'll see in a minute. So let's take a look at what you get here. So this cable will allow you to connect up your device to an HD display. So it comes in two parts. You've got the HD adapter, few quick instructions there. Now this is very similar to what you would get with a Samsung Galaxy S2 adapter. So it's got a micro USB connection on one end, and then you've got a cable that comes through to this little box here that's got a full HDMI connection, and then another micro USB power connector here. So to use this you do have to connect the mains power supply to the adapter, but then here you can connect an HDMI cable, which in fact they do supply, which is very nice of them. It's not a top quality cable, but for the majority of us it will do the job. You can see it's HTC, it's got the branding on here, and that HDMI cable simply plugs into the HDMI socket on here. This will then connect to your HTC device. The other end of the HDMI cable will connect to your high definition display, so for most people that's going to be the television that you might have in your lounge, and then together you can use this to share any content, but most specifically HD content that's stored on your HTC device on a larger HD display. So that is the HTC AC M490 MHL cable.